How to fix try searching to get started problem in YouTube fixed. If any day you are a YouTube user and you're facing a problem like this on your very YouTube and you are quite frustrated, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution on how you can solve it. For this, first of all, you have to find the very YouTube application on your mobile device. After you find it, you have to tap on YouTube like this. After tapping on YouTube, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the I like option. After tapping on the I like option, it will take you to an interface like this. Here you have to tap on notification and enable allow notifications and allow sound and vibration. Again, you can go back and tap on the option of permissions. Here you have to enable the permission to camera, contacts, location, microphone, notification, phone, photos and videos. Again, you can go back then tap on the option of set as default. After tapping on set as default, you have to enable, open the supported links and then go back again. After going back, now you have to go to the next option, that is storage. Here tapping on storage, if you see any of the cache out there, you have to go to the option of clear the cache and then go back again. Now you have to tap on the next option, that is app details and store. After tapping on app details and store, you can see an interface like this. Now if you see the option of update here, you have to update your very application because sometimes the problem may be faced because your very application is not updated. And after you update your very application, you have to wait for a while until it reaches 100%, and after that your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.